Page 96, Chiapanecas, or however it's pronounced. I don't know how it's pronounced, but that's what it is. Key of E flat. Let's look at the right hand. It's all staccato, or mostly staccato, at least at the beginning it is. So it's just a light finger staccato is fine. What's the fingering? Because it says to start out with thumb. You can if you'd rather start out with second finger. Because in the second measure, you need second finger on that E flat. Because you're going down to a D. Then reach up, and that C and B flat, not only staccato, but they're accented, so a little extra. First ending and the second line, those accented notes, give them a little extra. And then we get to the third line. Here's the contrast. Now it's not staccato, now it's smooth and connected. Until you get down to the end, the last couple of measures here. The last line, connect this. Now if you can play an E flat major scale, this isn't a problem. Staccato and then staccato. Fortissimo, see the two F's plus the accent? I don't know that they need an accent with two F's, but that's it. It's like, ta-da, we're done. The left hand has the primary chords and a wrist staccato here. Now if it's confusing you doing a finger and a wrist at the same time, then you'll have to do wrist and both. Like so. I prefer finger myself. But on the accented one you can do wrist on both, because that gives you a little extra power for the accent. And then third line down. Connect the first note. We're reinforcing that natural accent. These are just the primary chords. And that's pretty much it. There's not a lot to it. Automato at the the speed at the top, and that's it's quick. Later, you just learn it first, and then when you have it all learned and it's comfortable, then you can start making music out of it and start feeling it. It is a dance. So let's play it slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. We are going to do the first and second endings. We're going to do the first line and the second line up to the repeat sign. Then we're going to repeat back and do the first line again, and then do the first measure of the second line, and then skip that first ending. We've done it once, that's all, you just do it once. Skip it and do the second ending, the last two measures, and then go on down. That's how it works. I'll give us 3 counts, a 3/4 time. So we are here, here to start. 1, ready, go. Rest. 2, 3. Two. Rest. Repeat. 2. 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Rest, rest, rest.